friends, welcome back to channel SciTech. In this one, I'm going to do the speed test and the RAM management test comparison between the POCO X3 Pro versus the Realme GT Neo 2 device. So this is another question which has been requested by a few of my users. Can you please compare the both phones regarding the RAM management? That's the reason I thought of comparing these two devices. And during this time, I'll try to use the 5 applications and 5 games which I did load at this moment. And these 5 games are not very big games. Definitely, friends, as you can see, Excel, they are very small games overall. And now let me need to start first with the reboot test. Let's start the both phones by the restarting. So the POCO X3 Pro, which has got the Snapdragon 860 chipset, and the Realme GT Neo 2, which has got the Snapdragon 870 chipset. So we'll be able to see the results for ourselves, which phone wins in this kind of speed test and in the RAM management test. And both are 8GB RAM variants, 8GB and 128GB same, 8GB plus 5GB. So which you know that external RAM capabilities. So which definitely it's not that helpful, but still I did turn on the external RAM capabilities in this device, in the Realme for smartphone. First phone to boot up is the Realme GT Neo 2, and I need to show you exactly what kind of Wi-Fi connection I connected to, because this phone right now the speed test requires the Wi-Fi connection. That's the reason you should understand. Let me open the Wi-Fi connection between both phones. So both are connected to the same 2.4 GHz network. That's perfectly done. So all the apps are completely clear from the background RAM management, and the RAM availability is 4.5GB and 5.4GB is available between both phones. So MIUI versus Realme UI in this kind of speed test. So this is going to be really very interesting and very challenging. Let's see which UI is really optimized to store this many games and applications. And one more quick note, you may think like no one will be using this many 10 games or maybe 8 games or something like that. The main reason why I'm trying to include this many games and applications is because in the future, after a couple of updates and after using 6 months, after using 1 year, definitely it will get slowed down. So you need to keep always target for the more applications in the background than rather than having only less applications. Always remember, that's the reason I'm trying to focus on extreme level testings only in my channel. So let's start with the Amazon application. So I do always push the limits, friends, because we do know with this kind of software updates, what happens is that definitely the performance with the long time usage, it might slow down. That's the reason you should have the right now, which is a powerful phone in the multitasking and RAM management. That's my main idea of testing. And right now let me try to change these positions. I forgot to keep, I'd like to keep this speed test here. And let me change this position. Yes, now it's kind of fine. The speed test. So overall in the speed test, the Realme GT Neo 2 was able to open slightly faster, not bad. Because whenever I do the speed test videos, I do always get the comments saying that no one will be using 10 games, no one will be using 5 games. So which I do know, yes, even I do know that no one will be using. But the main reason I'm trying to use is because after 1 year, even if the software updates become a lot of slow and a lot of get worst, at least 5 or 6 games will be open. If they are capable of opening right now 10 games. That's the main reason why I did do like that. And let's keep these results in the background as a RAM management anyway. And next is a Flipkart, and let's go to the mobiles and open one of the mobile phone. You can see the loading speed is slightly kind of faster in the Realme GT Neo 2 in terms of the loading speed. That's the one thing which I did observe. And these games, I did not add them into the game turbo and gain space. I did not add them. I mean game enhancement boosters. So first is the Realme GT Neo 2 did open the game. So in the speed test, it's clear that the Realme GT was able to open slightly faster GT Neo 2. And Subway Surf is the game. First again in the Realme GT Neo 2. Next is a Temple Run. And in case if you want me to include any other games or any other applications in the RAM management, let me know in the comment section below. Definitely I'll try to include those in the testings. So final game is Angry Birds 2. Let's see this game, what happens. So this is going to be really very interesting, friends, to see this kind of comparison. And finally in the speed test, the Realme GT Neo 2 was able to open slightly faster. But this one game did open slightly fast in the POCO X3 Pro anyway. But overall, we did finish with the speed test. Speed test we did complete at this moment. And in the speed test, the Realme GT Neo 2 is a winner in terms of opening the games and applications slightly kind of faster. All the apps are completely open in the background. You can clearly see that. Now let's start opening one by one from the back side. From the back I'm trying to come. So till 5 games it should not be any kind of issue. So gateway 2, no problem. So till 5 games not an issue. So that's the reason I did not show you in the multitasking. Now let's try to open from multitasking. So you can actually see clearly touch sampling rate application, which I drew the lines. Okay, I'm not trying to pause this video or nothing at all. You should know what is happening in the RAM management. 1, 2 and 3, boom. The Poco X3 Pro was able to keep it in the RAM management. And next we'll try to move to the next application, which is a Flipkart application. So let's see the Flipkart, what is happening. 1, 2 and 3. Poco X3 did show immediately. It did not load, but still the Realme GT Neo 2 did load. It took some time to load, but still it has got the iPhone 12, not bad. Next is a speed test. Let's say speed test 1, 2 and 3. Boom. Exactly same results page the Poco X3 Pro was able to keep it. Same. This is what. The Realme need to improve a lot of RAM management. So let's move with the Amazon. So all other UIs was able to do. I mean, in terms of the UI, I think the FunTouch UI can do it. Right now the MI UI also can do it because of the recent update, and Stock UI can do it in terms of the better RAM management. Even the Oxygen UI, which used to be there before, also did very good RAM management, even with the OnePlus 9R which I got previously. So at this moment the Realme should definitely improve a lot in the RAM management. So right now friends, in the speed test the Realme GT Neo 2 did win, but in the RAM management test the Poco X3 Pro was able to keep these 3 applications additionally in the background as a RAM management. That's what the winner is in the RAM management in the Poco X3 Pro. Overall, I will always target to the RAM management in every video, not the speed test, because speed test only 1 second and 2 seconds difference will be there. So that's not a huge win, but getting clear from the RAM management from the multitasking, that's another big problem. That's the reason you should always focus in the RAM management in every video, whatever I make. Okay. And that's it friends, thank you for watching this video and stay tuned for more updates. In case if you have any other queries regarding the 2 devices, let me know in the comment section below. Definitely I'll be able to help you out with those videos. As you can see, this game is there in the background RAM management. This got closed exactly. This is what I'm trying to show you in front of the camera what is happening. So I'm not trying to pause anything, nothing at all. How many games are actually opening, you can clearly see. So that's it friends, thank you for watching and stay tuned for more updates. Meanwhile, signing off and bye.